going on, everybody? Chop's awful smoky. We're gonna do a headliner install today. We'll see how this works out. My boy Jack here's got a 1974 Dodge Charger, and the headliner, as you can see, it's got some mouse problems in it. If you look around there, see, seat's already been out, the carpet's been out. The previous owner took it out so that didn't smell like mouse pee. It probably stunk pretty bad, but we're gonna get started on this. I'll try to keep you guys updated and posting on what's happening. Okay, let's get this seat out. Ready? We got part of it. Pull half of it out, but he's gonna have to crawl in there and get it. All right, good job. Let's go. It's tight fit. I make the younger guys get in there. Yeah. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Got it? Can you stand up now? I think we're gonna use this table as our little workbench here. But let's not set it on there because we're gonna use it to hold the top. Okay, go ahead and set your end down. I'll set mine down. Okay. Yeah. It looks like we gotta get these screws out here, along here, all the way at the top. Yep. We're gonna take these windows out along there, get that out, and then looks like that trim rail back there. And we're probably gonna have to either take the key out or disconnect the battery because I ain't gonna listen to that buzzing the whole time.
Can I take the seatbelt off?
Yeah, is it in the way? Yeah, you're gonna have to. What is it? Big ass.
Is it a size?
Yep, I do now. Try not to breathe it in, you'll be breathing in.
Oh yeah, here's a. Yeah, and we're gonna reuse these.
Huh?
We're gonna reuse those.
Those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know there's a clip right here. There. Ooh.
It's ripping on there. Good. Take that out.
Oh no.
And then sweep all that crud out of that car.
Where does this go?
In the garbage. Or take it out, shake it outside maybe.
Yeah, we gotta get the.
And then we'll get the bows out of it. Okay, so that's definitely got insulation that was up there. The question is, do I want to put insulation back up there, some kind of Dynamat or something? I don't have anything. So should we run to the hardware store and see if we can find something real quick? If I do go to the hardware store, I'm gonna get some glue, some spray on tack, so I can tack it up here while I set the trim pieces in. I think that just makes sense. Or see if I got something laying around, maybe. So we had to run to the store and get some spray adhesive and some insulation. We're gonna spray adhesive this. It's got to sit for a minute. He's gonna shake it up. We're gonna spray this ceiling. Yes, it's not Dynamat. It's what we got. We're not making this special. This is a driver, folks. So sitting here looking at this, and you see the ends are color coded. I'm not sure why they're color coded. The other ends are a different color. But when you hold them up together, and you pinch them together, they all look to be about the same size. Besides this last one, which we know is the back because it's way bigger. It needs more space. So I'm assuming that 1 is the back, and then 2 and 3 are the middle, and then 5 is the front. So we're gonna go ahead and install those bows now. And Okay, well that wasn't very difficult.
It's a little short though.
It's a little short.
Yeah, I might have to do a little cutty.
Is yours sticking out the end very much?
Barely. You can see right here. Definitely not enough to put it up there.
So, what we might do is I can see they got this mark here. Maybe that's what it's intended to be cut at. So if we stick it through a little bit and we just notch out that last little bit, I think we'll be all right.
You get.
Okay, let's get some scissors off the top drawer of the toolbox and we'll see where this goes here. I don't know.
I would just sit here and wait a little bit.
I think we'll be just fine. Boo. Okay.
Can you explain what you're doing right now?
So, just trying to notch this out because I have no idea what I'm doing. Trying to make this to where I can pull this tight and glue it. But all these, if this is anything like a carpet install, which is probably not, and I don't do carpet either, so clarify that. I'm just assuming. I've done it once, but I don't know if that glue's in there or if this is just going to tuck under there. Is there stakes on this side? No. Okay. So all that's going to tuck up in there like that. So I think I can cut this like here across, and then we can spray it, glue it just to hold it. Okay. And then we can tuck it up under there like that. So, I mean, it's like a tax. Where's the clip at? Where's the tray?
I think this is a clip right here. No, what is this? What is it?
Oh, a door line. Put the clip back on there. Hold it. All right, loose it. Let me go through the holler. Do it 4%. 4%. Yeah, 1 degree in there. Just don't know what's in the back here. Can't remember. What's it in? There's a lot in here. Here, window bed. Let's see what it looks like sitting here.
Window.
Let's see what it looks like in here. Oh, look at that. That makes a difference, doesn't it? That's not horrible. See, this part kind of ripped on us, but
Yeah,
I think we'll
I
take
don't see that though.
we'll take a Sharpie,
Yeah.
black,
Just color it.
and nobody will ever notice.
Yeah.
It'll be just fine. There's trim here too, right? There was. Pretty sure there's trim on there.
No,
Yeah, there is. On this.
I didn't think so.
On there.
Let's go get the back window.
Well, I want to stretch the front across first.
Like, yeah, I don't think that came up there.
I don't want to. I can't put this in yet because I haven't trimmed the back.
Honestly, there's not much we can do about it either way though, so.
Alright, it is what it is at this point.
And it doesn't look that bad at all.
No, I know.
We gotta clean it.
Give me the knife. For some reason, this does not stay. There we go. See, this one's not staying either. These hooks are not staying. I'll have to go down and pull tight enough.
Yeah, I mean, this certainly tightened out.
It did tighten up?
Yeah, I mean, look at it, it's way tighter than it was, honestly.
Yeah, it looked way better when we first started, for sure. I think if you just play with it, let it alone, it'll get better and better. Some of that stuff is going to be like that, I feel like. this in excess, doesn't hurt. Ouch.
What are we doing?
Just looking at it. See how much of this stuff I need to trim off. Need to compare and see how much of this I need to take off. So I don't want that trim to show it.
So we're starting to screw that back in.
Well, I'm just gonna see, yeah. Oh yeah. I think we can put that back in. I think this will help hold it. That's what I was thinking. Say a little prayer. This is where light's going no matter what. You know, it's the insulation is over it.
No, it was under the insulation, wasn't it? Do you want me to get my small fingers in there?
Nope, that's it. Okay. Phew. That's the screw holes. Now, I need a way to get that wire. The only way I'm gonna get that wire is with another wire.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Door so I can see. Is it in?